normal ken yam we kana dial kontin barwani lingwaseme ene biya kamal joban lingwaseme they need to kine well kel like 11,000 SPLA IO tin konen thiay and then bana clear information ka do badan thiay ke ga bana jalen gwaseme ken yam biya jodana chalat gwaseme kuumɛ kirmiyadi te biya jalen ko gor yeno bana te kan merongano na thiay kennedy especially kontin la SPLA IO then banamanan tokten ban yang gwasmene kabo kon jodana chalat nyok netin content ka party dung SSPDF and banajeling ko ken kala dangro very important, please make sure no be follow up ko be man le ro be ngaje no ngum sure lat ki ngum tok gwasame chala do ne over 11,000 SPLA IO forces defect to SSPDF in major blow for Machar. You know, 11,000 to the factory kuumɛ ka Dr. Machar. You know, titi unbelievable we can say that because the 11,000 Google the factory kid you know they are under rotation SSPDF spokesperson Major General Lure Kong Jalat Kicha right Kajan Laramene. Of course, it's a sad news. A lot of no day 11,000 they get defect. Kuumɛ SPLA IO, no. But bane argument came and down and she can let railer can me banajeling kel. Ko go kon ban chicken. Of course, second day you pay ko she na chicken but Kenyam be full detail. Be jeling kuumɛ maraike kirmi yadit no ko gorgon bana dia banakalat gwasame chikala no more than 11,000 Sudan People Liberation Army in a position have defected to the South Sudan People Defense Forces la SSPDF akane de ni di chopke kin welkel chikatia chikanwe ka kuumɛ kirmi yadit no wana me jega kwi Dr. Machar ko misine ga chikatia chire mengai kone no misina chikatia ngom la nyu da no cha pare no mo cha ja yar ke jex dan me jen ne ti wo ga gwasme ne ka ta da na gwi ke but it is still clear that ne me target okay Kwatargene Dr. Machar ko baje weekend. According to the statement issued by SSPDF spokesperson Major General Lure Kong, on Saturday, the force led by Major General Peter Gatkek Tolshek and Lieutenant General Ker Kaigao renounced the opposition army and pledged allegiance to President Salva Kiir Mayardit or President Salva Kiir government. Wouldn't dangrode TK wouldn't worry. Undang rodatin okay spokesperson first of all Nuer you know Nuer men shall Nuer would the right con should me surely General Lure Kong Ramadan la you know ka la written contelat ke kuumɛ kirmiyadit you know chala do ne commander dangro tila gan Nuer keneten con shetiai and commander ramo would ramaniam would Michel ke Major General ke do control and go Peter Gatkek Tolshek Peter Gatkek Tolshek aram kel ka kuumɛ SPLA IO no gun ka joran chalat ke je radien un Michel ke General Ker Kaigao Lieutenant General Ker Kaigao aram kel kenede te ka SPLA IO kenede ti kene yala do shitia kuumɛ kirmiyadit Tolshek me Michel Peter General Peter Gatkek Tolshek me Jenawa around Brigadier General Sector 3 of SPLA IO in Neural County and Abedekwen Tolshek commander of Brigade 1 Sector 3 of SPLA IO in Neural County, Jonglei State, reportedly defected with 6,100 officers and soldiers. The group publicly declared their allegiance to the government and the SSPDF during a ceremony held on October 25 in Pulturuk village, Neural County. Michel Kame Tolshek again around Brigadier 1 ka Sector 3 ka Sector Diodian ka SPLA IO mentre we Neural County te ga Jonglei State again chatia ka dini choga ki na dang bakali de korkel kin dang baro de korkel ka de nywan no chelat te joj ka jom inshallah te kuumɛ SSPDF marwai ka kirmiyadit no ka changa yandang ro de ka pai well chikaro yime kan lat ki chika duol chika manarang ikone chika brar ka ping midit kalat kan no ne chineti ka kuumɛ Dr. Machar chajo mo chajo kwenaken ke chajala deken mugor konde konte kaliengten kin namba kel ngon ke kin namba kel korkel ka jen commander ritual ka me commander tolshek ki peter gar ke tolshek won wara anyok ritual me general ker kai ga jen chatiai boke di ni to koken jen chatiai ke de ni choke kin dang die ju ko dang wan kan ne di chala do tiji police service station ala South Sudan National Police Service ticketing to prison service ticketing to wala service ticketing allo connect 300 members of the National Security Service Internal Security Bureau under Colonel Malang Yol Real ne di kudang jokoken madien dial ke kina dang de judu kudang wan ti chetiai ti jel ke je ke wuri shal ke me general ker kai ti dial de gnor men moy kon ke jello ashim di de long ko kan wore nuare mo te de len nuare ka why mu ko ndi fak je ke ngum ti kan ge je ci kana paru jino chane ken chakanak na me amade yenaling so chana na me chana je gwich Allah ne ti ne dial me agamat bi kon je no 11000 people kan re kon chetiai chala de wonene en SSPDF wa chicken dor shal ka padding it quarter kinyo kant chicken control ka chicken nyambor en riang chicken control kan go diali kan control kinyo kant ke jodan chalat ade ko larno most of these people de ko lar kan were kan dial no kan na me kan lat kan no e mo gwalong en kum kirmi yadi question wer chi gatiai no chicken general county commissioner James Bol Makwe chicken la tesloach no ano man chala de mogwa so na me chala da kuma kirmi yadi okay bana we kamanan and chalat kuumɛ SPLA IO. So right now we already take a look at what the SSPDF said about the 11,000 that defected from the SPLA IO. They are calling it a bold moved and heroic at the same time. Let's move on. Kamanan and chalat kuumɛ SPLA IO. Mampai calling man chalat kir ne kir me yadi to know it to 11,000 people chicken defect. So let's see man balat kuumɛ SPLA IO kata dan chicken lat keje. Ka jom chalat gwasa me ramando dian la roi ka kuumɛ SPLA IO ngai kone no ko ngai kon men chalat already wudame and wo she told check it's the fact ke che ko kuumɛ SPLA kuumɛ SPLA pinkir mi yadit charmanan chalat gwasa me chana jelinkel ka do branan che to ko je. The Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition SPLA IO has described as sensitive the report defection of more than 11,000 force to South Sudan People Defense Forces on Saturday. Kaneno she native kinit welke 11,000 people to she defect Saturday paiwe. Kanema very sensitive longono ow native 11,000 ko defect di ko le tiaid 11,000 people. Tiai Kennedy, that's the question. The reaction followed a public announcement by SSPDF spokesperson Major General Lu Rei Kong. The forces led by General Peter Gatkek Tolshek and Lieutenant General Kerkai renounced the opposition army and pledged allegiance to President Salva Kiir Mayardit or President Salva Kiir government. Millet Koname Aman Chalat Kennedy Tolshek, the commander of Brigadier 1 Sector 3 of SPLA IO Neural County of South Sudan Jonglei State, allegedly defected with around 6,100 and soldier. And Lu Rei claimed that the group publicly declared their allegiance to the government and the SSPDF citing a ceremony held on October 25 in Pultruk village. Walat ken tiaidian kadorshal ke Pultruk village katada na chalat keje. Kan wona ideale shi ka tiai ram ken jere kin dambakel ram din jere kin dang dich. So jo me am chalat but the no reaction na chakul non gwas me kwala nyaga ya kel gwas me ke bialing railer kanam. Reacting to the report on Saturday night, Colonel Lampol Gabriel Ramadan la watch ka roine ka kuumɛ SPLA IO la SPLA IO spokesperson ka Sudan People Liberation Army in opposition say the opposition army was not making an immediate detailed statement on the development, citing its delicacy. jana kana ti jiti IT tell statement mesha magnetin corner the kel ken go shik ti ala talk. No, the office of the SPLA IO spokesperson will not be making an immediate response to the alleged defection news in Jonglei and Western Bargazal state by the SPLA IO officer due to the sensitive nature of the matter, he said. Jana do bana china chikati ga gwasa men Colonel Lampol Gabriel jana china said when you make tell John Bemene to chitka waraga mudong de gorno tokane te chikati ai jana kane kon ngai 11,000 people jana to malum ne te ka jongle kan ne ten te ka Bargazal jana te diara ti ngode tell statement me ana mega no make a talk wala chika talk kodi 11,000 people te chiti ai we mean that they call no a whole community within that area. You can get there. Here, they're simply making up the figure. Ko a pigment did. Malarga generate 11,000 chigati. What do you think? Gujide anonate to digati kacharo jiramamo. Colonel Lampol Gabriel added that there was no document. There was no documented incident of defection within the Sudan People Liberation Movement in opposition military wing commanded by detained first by President Dr. Riek Machar, saying investigations were underway. There are no written or recorded statement by officer claimed to have defected to the SSPDF. However, consultation and investigation are conducted to find out the real truth, Lam stated. The reported defection, if confirmed, will mark a major blow for the SPLA as it risks losing control of the pending military headquarters of Neural County, Nyambur and Riang, which they initially seized from the SSPDF. So, Jolin Kon Mogwasame kana kon ngaje gwano ne ti chigati ay kodi manyam ala ran mi chiti ay ke chiro do ka pari ke chi jen ka par na mo te mela gor ke kiji manyam ba gor kiji janana ko chi jen ana brach ke video ba kula ngaje no ngak che jen brodu lat anyok ba force do men chiti ay ba ye del wich so aje mo kwala de Lampol Gabriel no ne it's not clear men chalat gwas men no shi kuumɛ each in 11,000 ke SPLA IO chikati ay ajana men it's not yet clear so kuja mo chine statement chine be make unless she can ben live ke chika ben ke recorded video minute kan public no kon chakati ay ke ping Dr. Riek Machar ka kuumɛ Sudan People Liberation Army in a position then ba bene kula declare no neme ichi na chikati ay kanai but another thing she can look and one na chala do ne de bin chikati ay kuumɛ SPLA IO ichi chujia you know blow ko kuumɛ SPLA IO lo chi SPLA IO che jek pin Dr. Machar akana she talk and ran take a choice ko der ko party men noka ran take long ko gwada dan der wutin you know kuumɛ SPLA IO kanai bom te ngai ketin kontilat karodian rewich you know so na me mishalat ka duob dana de yana linka jam ko entem raina murai kone ngai kone gwa en kuumɛ kirm yadi de me chete ka to go to lede no gorje ne of course tiaina brand but tiai so when you defected you simply sit there nobody will even say anything to you you are saying that she kujame she vision change laws they are doing nothing and when kuna alter ka kuide they have no idea menta na ka kuide jana terna ko ba national election ba jalat ba ko inquire ba jalat but jin matiai jeni ka pardon me we ka parmodien what is your mission ko right now kir ajanna ideal ka dola gwakel but I'm not giving them anything let me bribe you can money when chi jien and then after some time be leave alone be pel you know let she charge yetel mishalat ne ideal to thiay to Nuer tini de ko lara ken quick ken manan let ken why do you have to defect angum jen keje kan ware ke jin Nuer why there under all tikarwada ano jin bithiay we ka paradien and party namo o der ka paradien che jala issue by the way kon ware ano der thiay teleri der thiay der ka manana gori but thiay ni ka tamandan en tamaltetin when to maltetin ka chaje come choice no be part of you bije make you have the right to choose the part that you wanted but gwada danan ngoda kwaleluni menana kula gwit and okay let's ask question what do you think I'm going to take again da kuma chache vision chache lose how They must take a requirement to go no balalet. And your prison came a yadi the more. Look okay, and no cook implement. Dagama chara janine, queen quaralat kija. Kare she struggle it and you talk. Mary Condor kija talk. Right now is a time called South Sudanese people. Need continental citizen become the right person that can lead South Sudan. Become a deal kwanya laken. And Ramimo, Raman no quera no glory jin point be deal kwanya laken. Terambiji kept, terambiji force, but really you have to select or elect the one that you choose to lead you. Ramadan abiji nang kong ke development. Maybe South Sudan be nang ke civilization ng gorke. But then that idea karwade charge gor. Sikira gor kweru na mo mukulu support kim yadi de share nok. Jem neni na tema there are too many defections. Chikona ngaji no nyal de nyal che jen already ka party. Last night interview is a lot she declare no sikir yadi che fail nyaya. Che fail already ka system. Tela gwami be South Sudan be jenang te right nam right corner. South Sudan ay dianda na gorke bi nang nyam o men nyam brodo wo ka tribal mindset. Sharko shara jen wo lanyi do kokien. Anyok the other people become a chances ka leadership. Especially be election bija allow ko be take place. So let's say this. Self came a yadi tana dark into tribe. Into region. La pardon me la ja let gwasmen especially say chan mo ka panal. A panal chero mo ke neke. Tibi power bukana kula kamnial. Kir mo yadi jana al yaknega. El yakke akap kanyal ram shi loko no bangu ka kwer den bajanak ci kula shigma kaw mi de kunne de alkula lumnu kura kore an wo jan balen je ka kharwade ci dir ga neyti ko ken ci dir ka ganen ko ken ci dir even this SSPDF so dir kula nyen tan nakan warte ne ci dir ka ke lat ka ni je ka so shen warte ta ka panal ci tanen ci ka kep ko ka le use against Nuer ci Nuer ka unity state ci ka kep ko unity state ngai kona and Nuer kana je kwara especially unity state she combination chet ke jonglei chet ke apanal ne mitene kan tan pangin ga Nuer so che togo no ne ba Nuer ba ka dagan to section aje ruling ante ke kiran tam right kona nyan do badan e roje kaje che roje loko ne dial ko ka far jimmi shi idea de shi je lok be je dil kem ke be jinna ke be jiyen jamne enter right now te ne shadi tere yu juba so chana chaga dak into tribe mene jenbe wor woni shala me great people administrative area shamurlen chaga mo ko gwam be kan yinka Nuer kaje charo mo boka berbo all these people chaga dak wor ke Equatoria charo mo ka ne ka ba teacher yale kan wo ba ngan kan tongomi so wor ka even foreign Canadian continent alaji tela bargazal panken se janken ba chogo nyogon to put into section and pointer cheko lat gwaskel so the reality ekir to kaplano ko jana ba liang je janam dana ba gore but this should not be reward ke struggle and you not struggle ke no jinje struggle chi no ngor le mi chi no ngakwa chamagat aka ko kwere nok lo diena ko kwan right now mo na ka election point with Michelle myself came yadi chebe pa medon anyok self care shelo go no jen bateradian mi bi jode bajaga ki bateradian mboro ro kwanya no baje lede baje kwanya la kwer kire jene a kwanya ne la kwer jen mission dan teten ka jen chala da nyal deng nyal jen ne kir a jene alat kani jaka a jene kan all the meetings still alat ke doli la dolno e kiron yamala kwer that's it tele transformation mun be ka wich baje kul formede baje kul transformede gwa mimo ne dial gorka ne kel mimo kir ma yadit how bede dial be kulerde so jen ko laro de kir shaboy ko be South Sudan be jen nang ray mal karo now jen mu kwala lokira tam right corner so jen mu gori ki ngada no chi gori development chi gori unity but I will call you because when me time down she power she tell that's the time that you are tongue me it can thing dear kaji and that's what is happening in Juba Nueri shara gwa ko kire me naga nakon chakon naga 2013 chikon nen nating one chikaliu. More than 25,000 or 30,000 people to she perish to chilu. Anyok in total ka South Sudan kelio more than 400,000 to chiriar. And massacre dana chanwe anakaje. We should not forget it like that. Kir and Burjano Betika power, Yelarakel, according to Nial Dengal. Nial Dengal, Cheladone. A Jene Kir, she idea ko ba Queen Quarabaja la Chelok. A Jene Kula to Core 2013. Ring my charge proposal Chejalat. A Jernana, Tana Wiki election. A transitional government aqua form. A Queen Quara Quala, Rama Queen Quara. She would shall come self came yadi chelok a jeneno a quer metedi logo ba mal ba je ba nawo ka queen kwarimo ni jinder shonkel ge kwem shenamo quer menaga menaga naga ke kem koli. Please wake up. So jo me ban jigal rodian ban tin dial ko kentel rodian wike South Sudan ko re kente ko ken ban ka linka le rodian be to the pro jeno jin bi channel bi support.